Hi guys, we are here in chapter 11, section 5, talking about volume of pyramids and cones. The formula for pyramids and cones, the volume of, is the same for both shapes. It's crazy because while our pyramid has its hard edges and the cone is the smooth, their formula is the same. It is 1/3 area of the base, which is, take the shape on the bottom and find the area of it, times the height. And I describe this as, this is the Indiana Jones. We are dropping into the pyramid to get the artifact. So it is from the very top of the pyramid. If we dropped a rope down from the top, it'll hit the center of the pyramid. That is the height that we use for our volume. So let's go ahead and dive into this volume formula. We have a pyramid with a square base. How do you find the area of a square? Well, you square it, like do what the math is telling you to do. So we're going to find the big B, we're going to go 10 squared, which is 100. And then, so the formula is 1/3 big B times H. And we got 1/3. We just found big B is 100. And the height is 12. We get our calculator out. We go 1/3 times 100 times 12. And that's 400. So our volume is 400 meters cubed. Yay! Super easy, right? Let's take this. Let's do the bonus pyramid just one more time. So the base here is 6. The length of the side is 6. So the area of the base is 36. So our volume is 1/3 times the area of the base times the height. And we go 1/3. There we go. Give me a minute to get the 1/3. Times 36 times 8. And we get 96. So the volume is 96 cubic inches. Okay, let's take a look at a cone. A cone, we have this shape here. From the top, the dangling rope that Indiana Jones is going to crawl down on goes from the top to the center. We don't have that dimension. So when a good rule of thumb when you're attacking these problems and you don't have a dimension is really try to get Pythagorean theorem to work for you. So I'm going to put H here to represent the height. We have to Pythagorean theorem to find the height because the volume of a cone is 1/3 the area of the base times the height. And if we don't have the height, we have no other, we cannot get this formula to work out right. So let's go ahead and find the height so we can check that off of our list. So we go H squared plus 5 squared is 13 squared. And that is 25 equals 169 minus 25 from both sides. H squared is equal to 144, and the square root of 144 is 12. So now we have the H for our formula. We need to have the area of the base. Area of a circle is pi times r squared. So that is 25 pi. Okay, so now I have everything I need to fill in this formula. We got 1/3. We got area of the base, 25 pi. And we have the height, which is 12. All right, we get our calculator out, and we'll go 1/3, 25 pi times 12. And we get 100 pi, or 314.2. So that's 100 pi meters cubed, or 314.2 cubic meters. All right, let's just do one more cone problem. This is bonus problem. It's not in my notes that I gave to my class, but you know what? Why not have bonus here? We have volume is 1/3 area of the base times the height. We got 1/3 area of this base is pi times r squared, and then the height is 15. Okay, so get our calculators. 1/3 pi times 8 squared times 15. That's 320 pi, or let's go, inches cubed, or 1005.3. Okay. Now it's time for you guys to go off and do your homework assignment. We're going to complete these problems. Not these problems. So go complete your homework assignment. Come back here to this video and check your answers. So for the homework, we do page 729, numbers 6, 10, 12, 16, 18, 25, and 33. So check those answers. Make sure you have your work shown so you can get credit for it. And come have a great day.